Looking to brighten up your classroom and make learning fun? Well, you've come to the right place. Welcome to Twinkl Tunes, and our collection of engaging educational songs that your students will love. Start each day on a positive note with our Good Morning song. It's the perfect way to get your little ones excited and ready for a day of learning, with catchy tunes that'll have them singing in no time. And when it's time to explore the stars, why not sing along with our solar system song? It's an exciting journey through space where your class will learn all about planets, moons, and the wonders of the universe, all while having fun.
The sun holds the planets in orbit by gravitational force.
And for those special moments when we come together to learn about kindness, empathy and global awareness, our Refugee Whole School Assembly song is perfect. It encourages understanding and unity, sparking meaningful conversations in your school community. From the classroom to the school assembly hall, our songs are the perfect way to keep your students engaged, entertained and learning all at the same time. So why not make your teaching even more fun and memorable with our collection of educational songs? They're just a click away, ready to bring joy, energy and learning into your classroom. So sing your way through the school day with our exciting collection of original and familiar Twinkl tunes, designed to support your teaching in music lessons and beyond.